Messages from Shaltazar, the Alchemy of Perspective. We are Shaltazar, the Gavish Banenu, the energy of 33, the Master Teacher, and the energy of 44, the Master Healer. We have come forth at this time to illuminate a truth that has always been within your grasp, yet often eludes you in the busyness of your human experience. It is the truth of perspective, the lens through which you interpret your reality. This lens is not fixed, though many of you believe it to be so. It is not bound by the circumstances of your life, but rather by your willingness to see beyond them. To shift your perspective, you must cultivate a conscious awareness of your thoughts, beliefs, actions, and responses. This heightened awareness creates the space for transformation and allows you to reframe how you see the world around you. Your world is not as it appears to be. What you call reality is but a reflection, a mirror of your thoughts, your beliefs, and your expectations. This mirror is shaped by the stories you tell yourself, the meanings you assign, and the energy you bring forth. Yet, we tell you, this mirror can shift. It is not rigid. It is fluid, malleable, and ever-changing, just as you are. The question is not whether you can change your reality, for indeed you can. The question is whether you will choose to do so. Imagine, dear ones, that your life is like a canvas, and you are the painter. Each brushstroke represents a choice, a thought, a perspective. Some strokes are bold and vibrant, filled with the colors of hope and love. Others are shadowed and muted, born of fear and doubt. Together, these strokes create the painting that you see before you. But what if you could paint over the shadows? What if you could choose new colors, new textures, and create a masterpiece that reflects the beauty and possibility within you? This is the power of perspective. It is the ability to see not only with your eyes, but also with your heart, your soul, and your inner wisdom. It is the ability to see beyond what is apparent and into what is possible. It is the recognition that your reality is not what happens to you, but how you choose to see it and interpret it. Consider for a moment the challenges in your life. Perhaps they seem overwhelming, insurmountable, or even unjust. But we ask you to pause, to breathe, to look again. What if these challenges are not punishments, but opportunities? What if they are not obstacles, but stepping stones? What if they are not barriers, but bridges? Can you feel the shift in energy when you entertain these possibilities? This, dear ones, is the magic of perspective. You may ask, how do I change the way I see my life when the weight of the world feels so heavy? And we would tell you, the first step is to believe that change is possible. Without this belief, the door remains closed. but with it, even the smallest crack of light can grow into a radiant sunrise. Trust that your perspective is within your power to shift, and the universe will support you in this endeavor. Begin by inviting stillness into your life, for it is in stillness that clarity arises. In the silence of your being, you can hear the whispers of your soul. These whispers will guide you to see what you could not see before. They will reveal the hidden beauty in what you once deemed ugly, the hidden gift in what you once called a curse. Allow curiosity to replace judgment. When faced with a challenge, ask not, "Why is this happening to me?" but rather, "What am I to learn from this?" Curiosity opens the door to new possibilities, while judgment keeps it closed. Be willing to see the world through new eyes, the eyes of wonder and possibility. And remember, dear ones, the power of love. Love is the ultimate lens through which to view your life. It softens the edges of pain, dissolves the barriers of fear, and illuminates the path of understanding. When you choose to see with love, you align with the truth of your divine nature. You align with us, for we are love. Know that as you shift your perspective, your reality will transform. The outer world may remain the same, but your experience of it will change. What once felt heavy will feel light. What once seemed dark will shine with a new brilliance. This is the alchemy of perspective. The transformation of struggle into peace, of fear into trust, of separation into unity. To further grasp this concept, reflect on the stories you carry about yourself and the world around you. Are they stories of limitation, lack, and fear? Or are they stories of abundance, possibility, and love? You hold the pen, dear ones, and the story is yours to write. Even amidst the chaos of the outer world, you can choose to write a story of inner peace, a story of harmony, a story of joy. Do not be discouraged if at first the shift feels elusive. Just as the seed takes time to sprout and a flower takes time to bloom, so too does the transformation of perspective require patience and nurturing. Begin with small steps. Each moment presents a choice. Will you see the rain as a burden or a blessing? Will you view an unexpected detour as a setback or an adventure? These small choices create the foundation for a larger shift. We ask you now to extend this understanding beyond yourself. As you learn to shift your own perspective, you can hold space for others to do the same. Can you offer compassion to those who struggle to see the light amidst their darkness? Remember, their lenses may be clouded by pain, by fear, by experiences you cannot fully know. Yet your love, your patience, and your example can be the spark that helps them see anew. The collective perspective of humanity holds great power. As each of you works to shift your individual lens, you contribute to the collective lens. Together, you can create a reality infused with greater harmony, understanding, and love. You are not alone in this work, for we walk beside you, guiding you, encouraging you, and loving you. We leave you with this, dear ones. Your life is not as it is, but as you choose to see it. You hold the power to change your lens, to paint a new picture, to create a reality that reflects the truth of who you truly are. Trust in this power. Embrace it. Let your transformation be a beacon of hope, lighting the way for others to rediscover their own strength and divinity. We bring you this message from a place of love. Our love for you is unconditional and everlasting. Now go forth, so you may awaken to the profound power within you to transform your life and the world. By shifting your perspective, you will not only experience greater peace and joy, but also inspire humanity to rise together in love, unity, and boundless potential.